Get a feel for the 2022 Ford F-150. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, heated mirrors, heated front seat, alarm. Don't miss the opportunity to get into this F-150, the pickup that's at the head of its class. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.